All right, folks, owner of Yajahs Jewellery is here to show off her handmade and culturally inspired pieces that you can get your personal and special person for Valentine's Day. Shajay Williams with us. Wagwan.
Hi, Noble. Yes, everything is well.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Do you normally go all out and celebrate Valentine's and thing?
Honestly, no.
No? So what you do? You don't sit down here and watch TV?
Yeah, for the most part.
Tell me about Yajahs. When did you start this? Why did you start this?
All right, so Yajahs came about roughly 3 years ago officially. And I started because I realized from very early that I love creating. And since then, I've just been creating.
When you say officially, you used to do a little thing on the side quietly before that?
Yes, I did.
And what made you think that this is what I want to do? Why you never go make shirt or something like that? What made you think that this is the thing I want to do?
I don't know. You know, when you have a calling for something, it just kind of bites at you. I think that was what happened with jewelry. I really just like creating. I love jewelry, and I like the fact that, you know, if I want to go out, I can just fix up a little thing for myself and create something. And,
but this is not just jewelry. This is beautifully made and designed and stuff. So
thank you.
Where the ideas came from?
So for the most part, the ideas came about from me, but I have to give props to my customers because sometimes when they do custom orders, that's kind of what inspired me. And also, you know, the internet is there. You see some inspirations from there. You pick from it and you add and you subtract. So it's really just a bunch of things, a bunch of creativity coming in place. 3
years and still going strong. Does that mean that you've been getting good support from your customers? People been reaching out and buying stuff?
I've been getting support. So we're located in we're located in several stores in Kingston, and so far we've been doing really good. So yes, in terms of our in-store items, they have been doing well so far.
So stores sell your stuff, or your store? You have a store yourself?
I do have a physical store, but we have stores that sell on our behalf.
Okay, all right. So what we have here? Earrings, rings?
Yes, so we have our earrings here. We have some neck pieces as well. We have anklets. We have the Jamaica outline. We have rings, a variety of rings. We have neck pieces. We have hand pieces. We literally have anything. You name it, we create it.
And it don't look like you have anything just very ordinary and ugly like my ring. Everything kind of just bossy and stuff. Material, what is this? Gold, stainless steel, silver?
So we try to use the best materials possible at a cost-effective, you know. So in terms of the materials, we use stainless steel, we use brass, we use copper. We just try to make them as durable as possible so that customers are pleased.
Is there a best one in all of that? Stainless steel, brass, copper, is there a best one?
Yeah, so kind of next to gold, you know, on average a person won't buy gold. So they'll more revert to the stainless steel material. And then in terms of the rings, we use brass because those are also durable. We also have stainless steel for the rings.
Okay.
So, yeah.
They don't change?
No, they don't change. We do have options that change at a lower cost, but we inform the customers which is which.
Okay, and so the ones that you say won't change, you can shower in them and all kind of thing?
Yes, so our brass material ones and the stainless steel, they don't change.
None.
So eventually, you know, like sterling silver, after a while they get duller, you use the jewelry cloth and shine it. It's the same with the brass material. But for the most part, they don't change.
All right, let's look at this and you tell me what is brass, what is copper, what is stainless steel.
So this is red brass. This is
the whole of this line, it would be
red brass, yes. This is stainless steel material. This is yellow brass, red brass here, yellow brass coming down.
What's the difference with when you say yellow and...
It's just the color. So this, if you look, it have more like a reddish look, and then this one more have a yellow tone look.
Okay, so you don't have any copper here?
No, no copper is shown.
And you can take out your bracelets, let me see. I may have one plenty, you know. This one here.
So those are our knot hand pieces. So we use gemstones and stainless steel and durable threading.
Are these specific to male, female, or they're unisex?
These are unisex. We have both males and females that wear them.
I like the two of them.
Thank you.
You made these yourself?
Everything is handmade by myself.
You alone?
Me alone.
Wow. So how long would, say, this very intricate piece take you? This one at the top here.
Probably a minute or two.
A minute?
Yes, the rings don't take so long to make.
Well, work with me here. It can just come out, right?
Yes, it can.
Oh, I see what you do.
Yeah, so you just kind of...
Yeah, but this is quite intricate in you know.
It is,
but
you know, after a while when you practice and you get used to something, it doesn't take as long.
I'm sorry you never bring one and just show me how you make it in 1 minute.
No, man, you
don't make it in a minute. I'm not saying you're telling a lie on television, but a minute sound quick. And the same thing with these, right?
Yes, it's the same.
So you don't have, well, it's hard. I kind of asked the question already. I like them.
Thank you.
I like them. Give me an idea. You don't have to be specific of your cost here. So give me an idea of the lowest and the highest.
So we have rings. They start as low as $1,000 for one. We also have specials occasionally, so they can look out on our page. But we have rings for $1,000. We have earrings starting at like $1,500. We have our neck pieces at like $2,500, $3,000. We have more earring options that start at $1,500.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys could see this here, but she has smaller earrings here. This is what? Brass, copper, what is that?
So that is brass and stainless steel at the top.
Work with me steel garnet, love it. This one. What is?
That's stainless steel completely.
And it's the same thing here?
Yes, it is.
All these are stainless steel?
Yes, so stainless steel for the tops, and then we weave the bottom part with.
So you don't do anything like silver? You don't do silver at all?
I'm going to eventually dabble in it, but I'm not there as yet. We're getting to it.
And you don't do gold?
No, not as yet.
How are you found?
We are found at shop number 4 Devon House, shop number 15 Devon House. We're at the Things Jamaican store at the Norman Manley International Airport. We're at Sun Island, Jamaica seasonally. And yeah, we're looking to go into more stores. We're working on Fontana. We're there before.
But you're all over.
Yes, we're all over.
Congrats and good luck.
Thank you.
I have a strange feeling you're going to branch out into some other little things sooner than later.
That's true.
Yeah? She's the owner of Yajahs. Her name is Shajay Williams. Just to kind of figure out where the Yajahs come from. We'll go for a break. Roll out. Soon come.
Oh, no. Love me more. Love me.